Video problem number 29, calculations using molar mass. You're going to need your periodic table. Here's mine right here. So let's get to it. How many moles are in 2.55 times 10 to the negative third grams of silver sulfate? So let's see, let's write down grams is equal to 2.55 times 10 to the negative third. Now silver sulfate, we have to figure out the formula for that because I want to go from grams to moles. I'm going to use the molar mass to go from grams to moles. So let's see, silver normally forms a positive 1 charge. Sulfate has a 2 negative charge, so the formula for silver sulfate is going to be Ag2SO4. Alright? So I need to get the molar mass of that, so I'm going to do that over here to the side. Molar mass of Ag2SO4. So silver, where is silver? Is right here, 107.9. So I've got 2 of those, 2 times silver, which is equal to 2 times 107.9. I've got a sulfur, which is like 32.01. So here's sulfur, 32.07 actually. 32.07. And then I've got 4 oxygens. So 4 times oxygen, that's 16 times 4. Alright, so I got to add all that up. Let's see, I got 107.9 plus 32.07 plus 16 times 4. So you should get a molar mass of like 311.87. That's grams per mole. Okay. And try to label everything neatly. I know I didn't do a very good job. I'll do a better job in the next one. So we're going to take 2.55 times 10 to the negative third grams of silver sulfate, Ag2SO4. And now let's see. I want to convert grams to moles. So I want to get rid of grams. So there, grams going to cancel out grams, divide out by grams. And I want moles. Anytime you see moles over grams or grams over moles, you're talking about molar mass of whatever is in front of it. So in this case, I've got 1 mole for every 311.87 grams. So I'm going to take 2.55 e to the negative third, and I'm going to divide by 311.87 grams. And I get a value of 8.17, 8.18, if I go to 3 sig figs, times 10 to the negative 6 moles. And that's moles of silver sulfate, Ag2SO4. Okay, so there's your answer. Let's circle it. So the next one, determine the number of grams in 0.33 moles of sodium bicarbonate. So here we got to do the formula again. Sodium is positive 1. Bicarbonate is HCO3 with a negative 1, so the formula is NaHCO3. So I've got 0.33 moles of sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, and I want to convert that to grams. So moles is going to go on bottom, grams on top. Anytime you see grams over moles or moles over grams, they're talking about molar mass of whatever is in front of it. So I got to get the molar mass, and I'll do it neatly this time, of sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. So I've got 1 sodium, which is 22.98, I believe, 22.99. So 22.99. I've got a hydrogen, which is 1.008. I've got a carbon, which is a 12.01, I think. Yeah. And then I've got 3 oxygens, which is 16 times 3, and then I just got to add all those up. So let's see, I got 22.99 plus 1.008 plus 12.01 plus 3 times 16. So we get a molar mass of 84. My pen's not working. Okay, so I get a molar mass of 84.008 grams in 1 mole. So if I come up here, I've got 84.008 grams per 1 mole. So I'm going to take 0.33 times that molar mass that I calculated, and I get a value of 27. I'm going to go to 3 sig figs, 27.7 grams. Moles cancel out. Notice sodium bicarbonate doesn't matter, so I got to write that. Grams of sodium bicarbonate. Okay? Grams to moles, moles to grams. There you go.